So welcome to part 4 of the Octavia project, the Mark IV platform 1.8 turbo. If you've been following along, you'll know that there's been a clutch issue with the car. Basically it's been slipping. Covered that in the last video, link to that in the video description. So the car has just come back from the garage. I took it to a place called Turbo Speed in Thessaloniki. So they've done the clutch, the suspension and a few other bits and bobs which I'll cover in another video. In this video I just want to cover how I find this new clutch upgrade for the 1.8 turbo. It is it's got the G60 flywheel with a VR6 clutch kit. Got the new clutch in there now. I've only picked it up this morning, so I've literally got like 50 kilometers on the car. My first impressions of the clutch are, first of all, the pedal is super light. It's actually like there's next to zero effort to disengage the clutch, which takes a bit of getting used to. And the engagement on the clutch is quite abrupt. I'm getting used to it. I think after a while I'll get used to it. I'll be able to blend it in. It is juddering a little bit on engagement if I bring it in sort of a quarter. So I'm hoping that will pass as it gets bedded into the flywheel. That is what I'm hoping for. It doesn't judder all the time. It does judder slightly sometimes. So that's the clutch bite. That's the clutch engagement. And with regards to what does it feel like, so far it feels strong. I don't have any inclination that it's slipping at the moment. So hopefully it's going to be okay. The garage, they said it's a bit of a risk to fit it. Maybe it will hold, maybe it won't. The internet says that the VR6 G60 clutch kit upgrade can hold 330 pound-foot of torque, which is about supposedly what this car is making. So I'm at the limit of it. I was aware of that, but I'm not sort of the person that gives it full bore acceleration in the first, second gears. I don't like to slip the clutch at all. So hopefully it's going to do me right, you know. With regards to the clutch that came out of it, what an absolute mess that was. It was absolutely used up completely. The disc was very thin. There was no segments left on it. It was completely flat, the disc. And also they said it was a Vallejo disc in it with the cover plate. And from what I've been reading on the forums for the 1.8 turbo, the Vallejo stuff is quite weak as well. It had done a few kilometers for sure, but so far I'm not exactly sure how I'm supposed to bed this in. Am I supposed to wait before I give it the full beat? Because I suppose that would make sense. But so far so good. That's my initial impressions of the clutch upgrade anyway. I don't really have much more to report on it other than that. Light clutch, quite an aggressive engagement at the moment anyway. So if you're thinking about doing the VR6 G60 clutch upgrade for the 1.8 turbo, you're wondering what it's like, these are my thoughts on it. This is how I found it so far. That's it for now. Keep up to date, subscribe to the channel and look after yourselves, and I'll see you again next time.